Straight Talk Home Phone relies on Verizon's cellular network, not landlines, making it susceptible to signal issues. A no signal error means your device can't connect to Verizon's cell towers for voice and data. This is influenced by tower proximity, density, and obstructions. The SIM card authenticates your device on Verizon's network. VoLTE, or Voice over LTE, enables high-quality voice calls over the LTE 5G network. Problems with any of these three components, tower signal, SIM card, or VoLTE configuration, can lead to a no-signal message. Weak tower connectivity is measured in dBm. Anything below 100 dBm is problematic. The first step in fixing a no-signal issue is understanding these fundamental dependencies. First, check your signal bars on the device or Straight Talk app to assess connection strength. Relocate your base unit to a higher location or near a window for better signal reception. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and activated on Straight Talk's website. Check your VoLTE settings in the device menu and confirm the APN is set to VZ Winternet. Use Verizon's coverage map or apps like Network Cell Info Lite to assess signal quality. If issues persist, try a signal booster, especially in rural areas. Contact Straight Talk support for SIM replacements or VoLTE configuration assistance.